Selamat
Tentang Agnes Cat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. Today at 12 December of 2019, we're gonna do an urban sketching at English Tea House and Restaurant, Sandakan, Sabah. By the way, my name is Muhammad Adrian Adri bin Abu Bakar and I am a producer of 167 Art Project.
I am really sorry because we don't have any mic.
Today, I bring my friend, which is Ahmad Azhar, will gonna be my assistant for urban sketching today. Let's go. Okay, so today we're gonna do an urban sketching at Agnes Cat. Actually, we do this is to promote Sandakan, the best place at Sandakan. So, for more information about urban sketching, we will put the link at the description, so you can hit the button. Check it out.
I am really sorry. The painting couldn't be completed at all because of the rain, so we need to stop recording. But this is the result.
Okay, that's all from us for today. So, we very apologize for our art that maybe look not good because for your information it is our first try. So, for any suggestion you can comment below and don't forget to hit subscribe button. That's all from us.